Hey guys, video's pretty raw today. Just recently woke up, as you could probably tell, but it's all right. Today's video is gonna be about Dyna Performance and the carbon fiber stick-on trim pieces. I know I said stick-on. You guys are probably like, why? But hey, listen, I know it's not real carbon fiber, and some of you guys might bitch about that, and that's fine. I don't care. And I got another solution about these saggy. Hold on, if I could, get down here, it'd be great. These right here. I'm going to be fixing these in the future. I decided to actually tackle it and fix them with a basically permanent solution. That'll be for a different video, today's Dyna Performance. So, yeah, I think that'd be nice because a lot of the 05 to 09 Mustangs, this is a real common issue with the sagging doors. Well, this part. So we're going to fix that. I'm going to show you guys how to do that as well. That'll be in a future content. The cat H-pipe is here. I'll show a little bit of the box in the video. And then the amp for the subs. Remember I did the sub doors in a recent video? So the amp is on the way. That'll be here soon. I can probably show you guys how to install the amp, which is like basically your factory amp for the Shaker 500s, 1000s, whatnot. So it's kind of a biatch to get to, but we're gonna do it. All right, take care, guys. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Remember, 2,000 subscribers, another giveaway. Take care. Today I discovered boxes on my back deck. So with that being said, I do have some more boxes coming as I've ordered more of this stuff after the fact of ordering this stuff. If you get what I'm trying to say there. And it's Dyna Performance, so we are going to spicy up the interior a little bit. Now I know what you guys are thinking. Well, it's not like CJ Pony Parts or True Fibers, real carbon fiber. That's fine, think what you want. I mean, I'm just dressing up the interior a little bit. I'm not trying to go balls to the walls and do something that's, completely carbon fiber. Because some of these parts are, well, you just can't find them. And if you do, it's kind of an arm and a leg deal. I'm not even going to dig into it. However, I did get another big box from Pipes. And we are doing the catted H-pipe. And that's what that is right there. So, we are going to be dipping into that as well. I'm going to open up these boxes. I might not be able to do it just, while holding this camera. I suppose I could, set the camera down and open a box, but I'm pretty sure you guys know how to open boxes. So we're gonna open up those boxes and view those parts and install them today. Don't mind the space heaters, they're a little quiet, but it's just a little chilly, and I've been trying to make this whole garage here, a small little garage, just a little warmer. So yeah, let's dip into it. Hell yeah. Now I'm gonna be honest, for Dyna Performance, and I'm not saying this is bad, because it's actually really, really good. For being that it's not like real carbon fiber, this stuff looks like great. Like, it's really, really nice. So obviously I got it all out of the boxes. I mean, all this stuff. I mean, this is for the steering wheel, obviously, going around the steering wheel. I mean, I know my own car. So, but yes, this stuff is actually really nice. Nice little glass to it. It's not like that faded, shit that you buy. It's actually really nice. Now, I know where these pieces go, so right now, dipping into the bag, opening up, seeing the boxes, and then opening the boxes and seeing these parts individually, and laying them up on the back of my car. I got more on the way. But, the one downside I want to say about this is, for me, I get it, I know my car, so it's not an issue to me. This is, but for someone who may not know what they're doing, it didn't come with instructions. You know what I mean? How to, where does this piece go, where does this piece go, that kind of stuff. For me, obviously, I can figure my car out. I know my car, I know where these pieces go. Basically, this is just kind of like extra styling for, the dash, well, around that front dash area. Steering wheel, the cover and stuff, because I'm sick of the plastic right here. So, and this is all scuffed up anyway, so I'm seeing this plastic stuff here. The other stuff I just showed out, the dash, will probably go the little trim pieces on the bottom here. So, and then down sides, maybe that, I can't remember, but I can figure that stuff out really easily. The center console, obviously, around the radio, since I'm doing the, here it is. Since I'm doing the dash, or the center console, I figured might as well do the radio. So we're doing all this stuff. Hopefully it works out good. We're gonna be dipping into it, so stay tuned. Like I said, this stuff actually looks really good. I'm not even complaining at all. And this is my first time going to Dyna. I mainly was just looking for the pieces for my steering wheel. That's literally all I was looking for. So, and as you guys can see, it's not bad. Not bad at all. So I was mainly just looking for these pieces for the steering wheel because I was trying to cover up that gaudy, kind of messy styling. Well, color, I should say. It's just, I don't like it. The steering wheel looks nice and all, but like I just don't like that color. I don't like the look of, I just want carbon fiber. So yes, I do got some real carbon fiber in the car, as you can tell, in the armrest. And then this for going Dyna Performance, just to cut corners, I guess you could say, and not have to spend an arm and a leg for a complete carbon fiber interior. And I'm not really looking to just make my interior lighter, for looks and really standing out. This is really good stuff. It's really not bad. It's smart. The way he invented this, or the company invented this, however they went about doing it. I think his name is John. The way he did this stuff, smart. I'm not gonna sit there and say, oh, this is dumb, I'm gonna downgrade it because it's not real. And man, this shit looks real. But I get your point. I understand, and again, I really don't care. If you want to hate on it, go ahead. I mean, I like it. It's cool. It's something different, and I'm ready to rock it. It's pretty nice. Because at the end of the day, this is just my 3-valve Mustang, and it is my car, and I just want something to dress up the interior a little bit. And John or Dyna Performance here can easily do that for me, without an issue. So I like it. I've heard mixed feelings for people, and that's fine. Everybody's got their own opinion, right? Well, this is mine, on my car, which usually I'm kind of picky about things, but over the years, you adapt or move on to different situations. Like I said, I'm not trying to turn this whole car into complete carbon fiber. So it's just a nice little dress up for the shows and car shows and events and stuff, just to have something kind of pop in the interior. Like I said, I was just going for this, and here I am. So I like the products. I've talked to a lot of people that have this on their car. They're happy with it. I'm pretty sure I will be. So stay tuned, guys. See you in a bit. And we're back. I just did the steering wheel. That's it for right now. Just lining them up the best I could. Obviously, you're gonna have some gaps here because this is like a carbon fiber like trim, like stick-on trim. So it's not gonna be like perfect. It's not gonna wrap around your whole steering wheel and oh my god, looks so perfection. These actually look really nice. They look good, and just make sure that when you put these on, that you line them up the best you can before you actually hard press them on. And yeah, that's basically about it for the steering wheel. It actually looks pretty good. Like I said, make sure you don't just stick them on right away. You kind of line them up where you want them, and then press them on, or put them on lightly and try to move it around to where you want it. And once you're done with that, then press them on tightly. Make sure they're a nice snug fit, or on there good, I should say. These aren't that bad at all. So looks good. Looks a lot better than what it was before, I'll tell you that much. So let's keep going. And there it is, the interior part mixed with my real carbon. Not much of a difference, as in like looks. I mean, you can see it, but it's nothing major. So, and then the little pieces that I came with too go into here. One piece back into here. So keep in mind, make sure you guys clean up the interior good too. I did. I'm just saying, just make sure you clean up the interior before you lay these pieces down. You don't want like dirt or dust underneath them, obviously. So, but yeah, it's not looking bad. So far, so good. Coming together pretty good. All right, we're back. The radio's not done yet, and I want to show you guys something because obviously it doesn't come with instructions. So this piece right here, sometimes it comes with these little pieces like this. This one goes into here. Obviously I got two, so we're gonna boom, boom, just like over here. I got these little piece here, a little piece here, a little piece back into here. So keep in mind, I know the car pretty well. Didn't come with instructions, but I mean it's kind of self-explanatory. So yeah, we're getting there. It's looking a lot better than before. But remember, little pieces like this could go in this little area here. Just gotta, you know, feel it out, man. Piece it together like a puzzle. I mean, y'all did puzzles before, right? Alright, let's move on. And there it is. The last part I did do was these sides right here. This as well. And on the other side. Around this area on the other side. Make sure I can just move over there. There you go. And then I did the bottom part here, going all the way across. Try to sit back a little bit. It looks really good, guys. I'm not gonna lie. But being that it's like a stick-on carbon, let's back out of here a little bit so you guys can see it from this angle, maybe. Yeah, it's not bad at all. It's actually pretty cool. Dresses up my interior, which was, you know, getting old. So it's not bad. Like I said, I know there's gonna be people out there complaining, well, it's not real. Listen, man, I don't care. That's real. But it does look good. I do like it. I appreciate Dyna for coming through. It looks good. I'm impressed. I'm happy with it because a lot of times you buy these, you know, parts that you can afford, and yeah, they don't look too good. This actually looks not bad at all. So pretty sick. I might end up doing some more in the future, like up on the dash here. But the reason I haven't is because I got signatures on the dash and some other little things I'm doing. So that I might skip for the time being. Eventually I might dress it up. We'll see. I am going forward with doing these as well as this. And I think I got a couple more little parts on the way. So yeah, we're not done yet. And we do got the carbon fiber hood. That'll be here soon. We got the pipes, H-pipe. I could break that out. We'll see. And then, yeah, otherwise the interior, guys, it's looking good. Almost complete with that. I thought I was missing something maybe, but who knows. But here, this is what it is. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I know I didn't go all the way into showing you exactly how to stick it on. I mean, I'm sure you guys know how to do all that. Like I said, clean the interior before you stick the stuff on. Don't stick it on hard right away. Make sure you got everything lined up the way you like it. And then make sure you press down pretty good. Basically what I did. And turned out really nice. There's little pieces here and there. Like I said, just gotta kind of put it together like a puzzle. I keep stepping on something. What is, okay. Part of the trim stuff. But yeah. She's looking nice. I like it a lot. It's a nice add-on for the interior. Dress it up a little bit. Hopefully you guys liked the video. Hopefully it was a little informative. Like I said, it's more like a puzzle. Just kind of piecing things together. And it's easy to do. It's affordable. It dresses up your interior, makes it look nice. And I'm just doing it just for the show and also the review. So take care, guys. Thanks for stopping by. And as always, stop again, I guess. Yeah. Sorry about the voice if it is messed up. However, the Cat H-pipe did arrive. Should be good. Should be good. So we got a different tone coming soon.